This polymer clay pufferfish really comes to life with the addition of some colored wire. It's easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need yellow, orange, white, and black polymer clay, a toothpick, colored wire, fingernail clippers, and a non-metal baking dish. Start by rolling a large marble-sized ball of yellow clay. Roll 2 small balls of white clay to make eyeballs. Set them on the head close together. Make the tiniest balls of black clay that you can and use the end of a toothpick to help you set them in place. It looks cute if the pupils are a little bit off-center. Now roll a ball of orange about the same size as the eyeballs and make an indentation in the middle of it with the toothpick. This will be the mouth. Stick it right up underneath the eyeballs. Add 2 larger balls of yellow on each side of the mouth to make puffed cheeks. Make 3 flattened triangles of orange clay to make fins for your fish if you would like. The first one goes right in the middle of the head, in between the eyeballs. And then we'll put one on each side toward the front of the fish. Cut a bunch of pieces of wire a 1/2 inch long or less with the fingernail clippers or wire cutters if you have them. Stick the pieces of wire securely into the body. Cover the whole body except for the face of your fish. When you're finished with your fish, place it in a non-metal baking pan. Follow the clay manufacturer's instructions for baking. For this project, it'll probably be 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, but be sure and check. Once your puffer fish is baked and cooled, it's ready to display. Please subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you great craft ideas every week.